Alright, y'all, so we're gonna build a fish trap and test it out to see how it works. This is the process I'm building it, and this is how far we reach.
Main part here, we're gonna make the cone for it now. It's going to go inside here. Check it out. Nice tall fella. 4 feet.
Right now we're making the cone to put inside of it. And I think it's coming out pretty good. It finally completed there. This is the finished product. As you can see, guys, we're going past the green. Nice. And we have a little door on the side to take them out as well. Right across here. So this is where we're gonna be taking out. So we'll get back at it when we go and give it a little test. We had St. Madeleine, the pond itself, and as you can see, there's the trap. And we just hook it up there with some bait, and we're gonna send it out and see how it does. And we'll just update you when we taking it back out. And this is where St. Madeleine is. Look how close it is to the road access. Literally right there. It's about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll see what we catch inside the fish trap. I seen like, what? I seen like 4 small ones inside there.
4, 5.
Or five small ones inside there.
Not bad. 5 minutes.
That's not bad at all, man. Just cast it out again, and we will continue loading it up, taking the view and stuff, and we will get back at it and show how much we get. Not bad at all. Nice little home grill.
Yeah. Block vibes. Block vibes, they call that. Block vibes grill.
Straight out the pan and straight on the grilling.